Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the Google it is dying and AI just took its place. So we are going to discuss, previously we are saying that just Google it, just do Google and search on Google. But now the things are changed. We have changed the way we think, search and the learn forever. Introduction. Google it was the default answer to everything for 20 years. But now people say ask ChatGPT or check Perplexity. Google didn't just lose traffic, it lose cultural relevance. Also, we are checking with the Claude also, right? A cultural pillar is fading. Google was the once untouchable. Google it become the universal. Today, it feels like outdated, like a burn a CD. Google's real problem. Google's gave us links, not the answers. We got tired of hunting through the blue links. ChatGPT gives direct answers with no fluff or the ads. ChatGPT changed the game. Ask a question, get an answer. No SEO tricks, no ads, no distractions. Feels like a magic to most of the users. We are changing how we think. We used to search in the keywords, now we ask questions conversationally. From information hunting to information having. Google's business model clash. Google profits when you search longer. AI breaks that model by giving fast answers. Google is rushing to catch up with Gemini, SG, etc. From monopoly to movement, even monopolies can fall. Google it is being replaced. AI filled the gap between the curiosity and the knowledge. Final thoughts, we have redefined the act of searching. Google it wasn't about Google, it was about knowledge. Now AI tools fill that gap. So basically, now we are, if anything that we want to ask, we are going with the Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude to search for that one, and we get the answer accordingly rather than we are going to go for Google it. But yet, if we find something issues or something else, or we want the GitHub or something, again we have to go for the Google search to get that answers. But not fading completely, but yes, most of the things, right? So do let me know in your comment section what do you think. Do you still Google it? Or do you ask ChatGPT or Perplexity? Let's discuss how AI is changing and how we learn. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.